guess what this thing is behind me? Well, it's a paper bird. A paper bird that'll peck you and hit you, especially when you sit in the chair for too long. See, this bird is the guardian of the chair. If it senses a person being in this chair for way too long, the bird will make the person suffer the painful and brutal consequences of being pecked. Nowadays, we are staying at the computer way too long, attending Zoom meetings, finishing homework, and watching TV. That's why I made this. I wanted to break the bad habit of staying in the chair too long, being near the computer. So I made a chair with an angry bird that'll peck you when you sit in the chair for too long. As you can see in this clip, I'm sitting in the chair for way too long. I programmed the board, so after an hour or so, this angry bird will do anything it can to get you off the chair. The whole circuit over here is controlled by an Arduino Uno, a control board. The wires are connected by a breadboard over here. I also have 3 LEDs to indicate how long it spin after I sat here. This is a pressure sensor. It'll detect if there's pressure here or not, and it can see whether I'm sitting here or not. I've added this little cardboard cap onto this box so it wouldn't seem like there's so many wires. I also attached a servo up here, and then it'll rotate back and forth to peck my head. These LEDs will light up accordingly to the time the person was on the chair. At first, it'd be a green light, then it would be yellow, then red. This device can let you break the bad habit of sitting in a chair too long, but it can also be used to prank and annoy your siblings. There's one more thing this can do. It can catch a robbery. This device is to make sure I go outside and exercise, so that's exactly what you should do. Go outside, get some exercise, and breathe in the fresh air.